Eyes are getting watery. Okay, so today is Friday. Oh fuck. So we're gonna we're gonna do the color blue from the pride flag today. So yesterday we did green, today we're doing blue, tomorrow we're doing purple. And I'm not gonna lie, blue is my favorite color, so I'm so excited for today's eye look. My least favorite color is purple, so I'm not looking forward for tomorrow. I'm really not. So we're gonna start off with the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Mattes for eyes, lips, and cheeks in the shade Primary Blue. I'm blending it all over my eyelid. I'll take a little more, then I'm gonna blend the edges out. And I'm taking Sueva's We Make Rainbows Jealous palette, and I'm gonna take the shade blue to blend it out even more. Just keep blending until it's perfectly blending to your liking. Then I'm taking Glamlite's paint palette, and I'll take the shade White. And I'm gonna put it in my inner corner.